Let's make this papaya tropical hair grow oil together. So firstly, I did wash the papaya off camera, and I'm going to cut it and take the inside part plus the seeds. That is what I'm going to be using in this DIY hair grow oil. This particular oil can be used on your hair and also your skin. Alright guys, let's talk a little bit about papaya. Papaya is one of the most popular fruit in Liberia because the trees are everywhere. It is easy to find throughout the year because of the weather we have in West Africa, Liberia. Almost 95% of Liberians love eating papaya. And not just that, papaya tree grow like weed in Liberia. Although it has something to do with the two major seasons in Liberia. I can still remember back in the days of hunger and starvation, I used to cook green papaya soup. It tasted delicious. Actually, we call this tropical fruit popo instead of papaya, and it is very tasty when eating, especially when it's ripe. And not only just that, it is also good for both hair and skin. From where I am from, most people also call it the God-saving fruit because of the incredible benefit papaya has. With all that said, let me tell you a little bit about papaya benefit in hair care. Papaya deeply condition and hydrate natural hair to become soft, smooth, shiny, and also promotes faster hair growth. It contains more vitamin A and C, which promote sebum secretion in the scalp to keep it well moisturized. So after I am done chopping and cleaning this papaya, I'm going to put it into the blender. So I'm going to be using both the papaya and the seeds. Put it into the blender and blend it well. And after I am done blending it, then I'm going to put my pot on the stove and add in 1 cup of grapeseed oil and let that grapeseed oil get hot. Be careful while putting the papaya into the hot grapeseed oil. Test it first. Make sure the oil is not too hot, especially when this is your first time doing this DIY. And after I am done putting that papaya into the hot grapeseed oil, I'm gonna deep fry it, and after deep frying it, I will let it cool down, sometimes the next day before I screen it, and other time as soon as it cool down, then I screen it the same day. Just applying the DIY papaya moisturizing hair growth oil on my scalp and gently massaging it. And guys, my hair is freshly washed, so ain't gonna be greasy. Alright guys, I am gonna say this one last thing before I go. I always been sharing a lot of DIY natural hair video on this channel. Most of the videos I share on this channel is DIY natural hair oils. But let me tell you these tips before I go. Always spray water on your natural hair before using oils, especially if the oil is not a serum. And guys, if this video was helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button and comment down below if you tried a papaya oil before, and you can also add in a peppermint oil or tea tree oil into this DIY for preservative. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.